Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, we are going to be diving in to a bunch of drag queens makeup brands. I am so excited. If you guys don't already know this, I am in love with the drag scene. I have so many favorite drag queens. I watch every season of RuPaul's Drag Race.
I'm a fan.
And I'm going to be trying some pretty exciting looking makeup today. I look like a sheet of paper right now, very bland, very boring, but by the end of this, I'm going to be glammed up because of these products. I feel like 2019 was the year of everyone making their own makeup brand, and I am so on side with it. I've seen a few tweets of people like not liking that, but I'm just like, what's not to like? We have more makeup to choose from. Like, if you don't like it, don't buy it. If you like it, let's get excited together. And these are some brands that I'm very excited about. So I have 4 different drag queens makeup lines. I didn't buy everything from each one, but I bought like quite a few pieces from each one. And we're going to be just like mixing, matching, trying it out, putting it on our face, seeing how exciting we can make our makeup. Like seriously, it's gonna be exciting when you buy Willem's lashes and they're this big. Not gonna be an everyday makeup look today. Now by the time I'm posting this, I don't know if another drag queen has made another makeup line and I'm missing out on it, but if I'm missing any drag queens makeup lines, make sure to let me know down below and I could do a part 2 of this, trying some more. But for now, we're going to be using these ones. Also, before we get started, we're gonna get into it really quick, but I want everyone to comment down below who is their favorite drag queen, because I know everybody's got faves, so I want to hear them down below. All right, now we can get started. Let's begin. Okay, so first I really want to finish off my face. So none of these brands had foundations, concealers, that kind of thing, so I decided to do that off camera, but now I want to do some contour, some blush, some highlight, and for that we have 2 palettes. One from Kimchi and also one from Trixie Mattel. Also, I know it's not about packaging, but like honestly, both of these brands are absolutely annihilating with the packaging. Like Kimchi, this is stunning. It's got that like soft matte feeling, which I'm so obsessed with. I remember my dad got like business cards made like this when I was like 14, and I just remember being like, what is this texture? It's amazing. Like I just love how it feels, and this whole package is that. This is the Drama Queen, the Unboring Highlight Palette. So, calling out some others. Shady. Apparently other ones are boring. I think by unboring, she's addressing the fact that there is blue, pink, and gold in here, and then we've got more basic highlights over here. Very fun, a nice big mirror in this palette. So this is all highlights. Now, I don't know if there's gonna be a contour in here. I hope so, because my face looks like a circle right now. Here is the one from Trixie. Again, packaging is out of this world. Like, I love that. It's so cute. And let us see, what is this? I just like, the colors are so amazing. Like, why do a basic packaging when you could do a fun one, right? All right, here is what that looks like. The highlight has a little bit of a gash through it. I don't know if that was me. I can't remember if I've opened this up. I don't think that I have, so maybe it was just a little bit of a packaging issue. But then in here there is a really hot pink blush and then a more muted pink. So, okay, we'll definitely use blush from here. Now that I'm seeing that there's no contour, I'm just gonna quickly contour off camera. Okay, contour is on. Now we can get into it. So I'm gonna start off with the blush. I obviously want to use the really, really bright one because why not? We're gonna be extra today. So this one is Side Chick. Very pink. We will see how pigmented it actually is though. Dot in here a little bit. Lots on the brush. Oh goodness, okay. Oh my. It's pigmented, everybody. It's not kidding around. What did I expect? Like, this is Trixie's makeup line. Did I think it wasn't going to be pigmented? I look like I just put like a giant pink dot on my face. Whoops. It's the first step. All right, so I think that that's pretty obvious that be careful with that one because it is in fact a very pigmented blush. And you know what? Pigmentation is never a negative in my eyes. Even if I went a little overboard with it, for sure, that's a problem for me, but it's not a problem for the product. All right, Trixie's blush, very pigmented. Now let's try Kimchi's highlighter. Now this better be as pigmented. So, okay, what color should we do? We gotta do fun colors, I think. I think I should try the blue. Let's see. Very nice. Pink, gold. they're all looking very pigmented. Ooh, we got cotton candy look on our face. I'm going insane. And you know, all I have to do today is do a little Chloe Ting ab workout. So I'm gonna be a little bit dressed up for that. I love the like pink and blue mixing on the cheeks. For booping my nose, I'm just going to take this more champagne color and I'm just going to wet that on a brush, wet with my spit, put it right on the Cupid's bow and also in an exclamation point on my nose. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. I love that. Kimchi did not come to play. She came to win. She came to stomp down the runway. Definitely would give both of these a thumbs up. Very pigmented, beautiful colors. I'm happy with these. Both brands did a really good job. Okay, so it feels like every single brand had like a different glitter. So we're definitely going to have to do a glittery look. And also from Kimchi, I got this cream eyeshadow, which I'm not really sure what to do with it, but I feel like that's a pretty beautiful color that I want to try and incorporate into this look. So this is kind of the inspiration for this look. We will see how it goes. I'm going to be clashing a ton of colors. I already know it. 2 eyeshadow palettes, one from Miss Fame. Look at that packaging. Pretty beautiful. It's called Under My Skin. This has the same sort of like soft matte packaging. Look at that, so cute. Basically just like a lot of stuff going on. Okay, let's open this baby up and see the colors we have to choose from. All right, so I'm actually surprised because a lot of these are a little bit more neutral than I was expecting. Right in this area, more than half are pretty neutral, basic colors, which is good. They're good to play with. They're good transition colors. And then over here, we've got some fun colors. Now, okay, this one is grape. This has very big pans, very nice colors to choose from. More subtle than I was expecting, but I'm actually kind of a fan of that. You guys know me, I like subtle eyeshadow. And then we'll go into Miss Fame's shadow palette. Oh gosh, oh no, we've got a broken shadow. Ooh, this mirror is so nice. This is like so thick on the side. Okay, very pretty colors. I absolutely love like all of these. They're all shimmery. There's not one matte in here, but this one is broken. You know, it's always so disappointing to open up a palette and have something broken. Like, I understand you don't really know how the shipment workers are going to handle the package, but it should be able to withstand some very hardcore force at this point because nobody wants a broken palette. So I'm bummed. I think making an eyeshadow look with these 2 palettes will be very, very simple. I don't exactly know what I want to do yet. I don't know if I should put this cream eyeshadow on first. I'm having a difficult time deciding on my own. I need help. Usually at this point I would just wing it, but that hasn't been going very well for me lately, so I actually want to like think about it, about the color schemes and everything. How could I fix this? I need to ponder right now. My idea to fix it was to grab black eyeshadow. Oh no. Is that better or worse? I don't know. What would make this better? Oh my gosh, it's so awful. It's so awful. Okay, I just had like an epiphany of sorts. I was going to do the eyeliner and I just was looking at it and I was realizing that it was not going to get better. So I decided to take it off. And then when I was looking in my eyes and realizing that it was not going to turn around, I was playing a song called Sorry Bro, I Love You by Dorian Electra, produced by the one, the only, actually I think 2 people, I'm not sure. But Dylan Brady, I know, had a big part of it, and I love you. But anyways, this album cover kind of inspired me to just go a little crazy with it. I'm gonna try and do something again. The nice thing is I did test this. It was burning a little, but it stopped, so I think that's just my sensitive skin being dramatic. But this is really pretty. I'm sure all the other colors are just as good. But now I'm going to look at these colors in a different light. So I think the obvious one that I've been drawn to is this blue one, but it did do me wrong. So I'm gonna switch sides and do this pink. So I'm just going to try and dot this. just keep it kind of messy and even like a little bit under my eye. And then I want to go in with the orange that I already was loving, and I'm just going to put that in the inner eye corner, kind of with the same idea of like a circle. Not being too precise with this. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm going to basically mirror it. So the orange on the outside on this side. I'm gonna take the shade Grape, which in my opinion is nothing like a grape, but I'm gonna put that in both the inner eye corners. Curious why this got called Grape. Like, am I missing something? Am I out of the fun joke? I'm going to take this cream eyeshadow that I used already, because I want to draw some lines on my eyes. Now the eye is obviously not a flat surface, and that's when this becomes a little bit more tedious. Have I went insane? You guys, this has taken a turn. I don't know if it's for the worse or the better, but I personally am liking it more than what I had before. So, okay, I feel like that is more my straight line. Let me just leave my eye open and wide so that that looks straight. But okay, those eyeshadows worked great. I mean, honestly, even in my failed first one, I feel like it was looking like the eyeshadows were looking good. It was just my application was very bad. I have kind of like a crazy look going on, but I have to add some lashes. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to add only lashes or if I need a little bit of eyeliner. These are from Willem's makeup brand that's called Cover Boy, and here are these lashes. Classic drag lashes, so big, so bold. They really flare out at the end. They're going to make my eyes probably droop if I had to guess. So let's see how this goes. Like, I have never worn lashes this big, I don't think, and I am for one afraid. Oh my goodness, you think they need to be cut a little bit? So do I. Okay. Okay, so things are happening over here. Bad things. A lot of bad things are happening to me. I got the lashes on. I did the eyeliner. I don't know what's ruining it. I feel like it's just the fact that I'm wearing like an athletic top and my hair's in a low bun. So I'm going to progress as if nothing is wrong in hopes that it comes together with the wig and the other outfit. But I've trusted that before and it hasn't went super well. So let's just check the glitters I have, because there's a few. I've got this one from Trixie Cosmetics. It's like an iridescent peachy color. And then another one, which by the way, this packaging is literally adorable, in the shape of little hearts. Cover Boy, same place as these lashes were from. Willem went off with the lashes, and I'm pretty sure that these were the most casual lashes that you could get. And then this creamy glitter. What should I do? I feel like I want to put the Cover Boy glitter on where I usually put highlight. It's so pretty, if you can see that. It's got all these different details. Is this face safe? I guess maybe I should check. I'm pretty sure it was. Glitter jelly, made in France. I'm putting it on my face. That's so pretty. I'm happy I did it. This gets a thumbs up. Willem, we love it. One thing I want to add just before is I do want to have the pink on this side. And I can honestly say the outfit I had originally chosen did not account for pink and orange being the colors. So I thought it was gonna be blue. Lips, we have a lot of things. We have this lip gloss from Kimchi's makeup line. And what does this color? Ooh, just like a nice topper. And then we also have one from Willem's. This is a lip varnish. The one that I feel like, also, why couldn't my first look have turned out like that? It's kind of what I was going for, right? But this is a big booklet from Miss Fame, and these are all lipsticks. And a glitter down here, but the lipsticks are right here. Such pretty packaging on these. Here is one of the shades. I don't think that will really go with what we're... It's like a magnet, ready? I love that. Ooh, they smell like cake. They smell exactly like MAC lipsticks. Ooh, a blue. It matches my shirt. I don't think so. Let us see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be happy with this. Just to tone it down a little, you know? We're going a little crazy, so. Kimchi gloss on top, and I'm going to be a little bit overdoing it with this. Oh my gosh. So pretty. All kimchi stuff has like iridescence in it. I'm going to take kind of like a, I'm just looking at myself. What do I need? Help? Okay. It's a drag etiquette to outline your lips, so I must do it. Overlined, check. All right, you guys, so I think my face is complete. Now I have to go find a wig and an outfit that makes this whole craziness make sense. So I will be right back and we will talk about these products. 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was downstairs for about an hour trying to find a wig and outfit, and then I realized it is a lot harder to pair up a few things to go with this look. I feel like I keep flashing everyone. First of all, stay closed, you crazy. I want it to look like I'm wearing like a chef outfit. That's the theme. I feel like I could be like the Joker's like bad sidekick in like some really, really under budget spin-off.
He's freaking out so bad.
Who am I? Who am I? Do you even know who I am? Who am I?
He was crying downstairs. He's like, where is she? Where is she?
No!
Quit.
I missed you! I missed you, you silly goose! You're gonna eat all my makeup off! He must have heard me. I wonder, honestly, like, what did he think of my look? You know what I mean? Like, he's expecting my normal self, and then he sees this. Like, I would be scared. What was my mom thinking? My mom didn't even address it. This is how much my family's just used to my baloney. Like, they come upstairs and I look like this and they're just like, hey Mia, what's up? But anyways, this crazy pairing aside, let's just zero in on the makeup. Let's not notice anything else. I actually really, really like the way the makeup turned out. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know if you do. I'm sure some of you guys are like, what in the world are you doing? Oh my gosh, you know what else I look like kind of? I kind of look like Lord Farquaad. Like if he wore a pink wig, I am him. Anyways, just another video of me making a fool of myself on the internet. I'm starting to lose count. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If there are any makeup brands you want me to try, make sure to comment them down below. To these drag queens, great makeup, great line, great packaging. Absolutely loved everything. I can't wait to dive into it more in my everyday makeup. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!